The campaigns for 2020 US presidential elections are alive and kicking, with President Trump back on the campaign trail after testing positive for COVID-19. President Trump continued his attack on China and blamed the Chinese for sending the plague to the world. What's happening to China? Nobody has ever seen that. Nobody ever thought that it was possible. We have done so much better than them until they sent us the plague. We are coming back from the plague and we could have lost 2.2 million people or more. We lost over 200,000 people. We shouldn't have lost a person. What they have done to us, we shall never forget. Trump continued to blame COVID-19 for the country's economy and said that the US had the greatest economy before the virus outbreak began. We were coming together. The thing that was going to bring our country together was a success. It was happening until that artificial and horrible situation came in. It was happening like never before. Trump also made several sarcastic comments during the rally. In one such instance, President Trump threatened to leave the country if Joe Biden is elected the president.
The worst candidate in the history of presidential politics puts pressure on me. Could you imagine if I lose my whole life? What am I going to do? I'm going to say, I lost to the worst candidate in the history of politics. I'm not going to feel so good. Maybe I'll have to leave the country. I don't know.
The president's sarcastic comments were just one out of the several attacks made on Joe Biden. Trump attacked Biden for supporting China's entry into the World Trade Organization and called it the single worst deal made by the US. Biden supported China's entry into the World Trade Organization, and it is the single worst deal made by the US. China was flatlining until that happened, and then they became a rocket ship. They are considered a developing nation, and I said, if they are a developing nation, we are too. Donald Trump's attacks were not limited to Joe Biden. President Trump urged the Justice Department to investigate Representative Ilhan Omar. Trump also alleged that Representative Ilhan Omar married her brother and migrated to the US illegally. She hates our country. She comes from a place that doesn't even have a government. And then she comes here, tells us how to run our country. If you look at the house with Pelosi and these people, it's like they hate Israel and they believe in Omar, who came in here and married her brother or something, came in illegally. With the campaign trail heating up, President Trump is going all out against his rivals and is predicting a massive Republican sweep in the upcoming US elections.